Hey there, Junkie! Have you ever wanted to change the column headers of your reports to make them more user-friendly without changing the name of your field? Today, I'll show you how. It's as simple as selecting the report, opening the column properties, then entering the new column heading. I'll show you an example. In this example, I'm using my Lego dataset. I won't be able to access the column properties from the table homepage, so I'll first need to open the report that I want to modify. For this example, I want to change the theme_name heading to just say theme. Hovering over the heading, a down arrow is revealed. When expanded, I can now access the column properties. I can now enter the new name for my column and click OK. And voila! The heading has changed. Make sure to save your edits, and remember, this only applies to this report, so update any others as necessary. If you learned something new, please like this video, and to get your regular Quickbase Junkie fix, subscribe to Quickbase Junkie on YouTube or visit quickbasejunkie.com.